this is going to be an exciting night.
Yeah, we're gonna go snow tubing.
Soldier
Hollow.
Soldier Hollow.
We're going to Soldier Hollow and we're gonna be snow tubing with the youth group of our church.
Yeah, so it's gonna be super fun because there's gonna be like 60 of us. But the fun thing is, Amy, I didn't tell you this, my friend Amy Sanders is also going to be there too with her church group. Yeah, so it should be a really fun night.
We'll have tons of people.
Yeah, I kind of want to like push Amy down a tube and race her down the mountain.
Awesome.
It's going to be fun. It's been a few years since we've been, and they normally have like a pull rope that like pulls your tubes up. But they
heard they changed it
now
out.
They have like a magic carpet where you stand on it, so I'm curious to check it out.
Yeah.
It's going to be fun. It's a madhouse in here, but we spotted Amy up there. Look who's here! Look who's here! All right, here's cute Bonnie. There's Brooke. She's pulling our double tube. And Jake insisted on a baby tube. Jake, what do you think of this magic carpet?
It's interesting.
Yeah?
I don't know how it's nice.
Who's in your pocket?
Tina.
Jake has his baby tube. You're gonna show us how it's done?
Yeah.
Go, Jake, go! Go, 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 go! Woo! Woohoo! Ready, guys? Here we go! We're not going very fast! Here's Bonnie!
It's not in focus at all. Do we drag feet yet?
No.
We don't need to.
Look who's here! Amy! We're having so much fun!
Ah! Cold hands!
Made it back from sledding, and it was quite the adventure tonight.
It was really fun.
And by quite the adventure, a lot of exciting things happened.
So I went down in the tube, and Tuna thought it'd be fun to jump out of my pocket into the tube because he was having such a fun time.
So we went inside and like had donuts and stuff, and then all
I
of a
looked
sudden,
in my pocket, and Tuna wasn't in my pocket.
I know, and Jake looked at me and was like,
I lost Tuna.
and I was like, So I don't know if you guys know, like tunas are a little monkey and we just carry them around everywhere. My nephews gave them to us and we've just had them for literally before we were married. And yeah, it's just kind of random. We just bring them everywhere. And so I was like, okay, this is the end of Tuna.
And I said, no, I'm not going home until I find him. And I went and I found him in the tube.
Yeah, so thank goodness. Here's Toonie. He's okay. It worked out. But we're glad that tonight ended up being a happy ending. Yes, but we had so much fun sledding with everyone.
Yeah, the little magic carpet was really fun.
Yeah, it was definitely different.
Kinda
I missed sitting on the tubes. I felt like it went a little bit faster, but
yeah,
maybe it didn't.
It was the same speed and you're just standing.
Yeah. I don't know, but it was really fun. But it was so funny because I think because we just got some fresh snow that it was a little bit slow, like going down the hills, and so we would like have to like scoot. And on one of them, one of the girls that was in front of me, and she stopped and she was standing, and I literally like ran into her. And luckily she was okay. Yeah. So. But I think we had a good time overall.
It was fun.